Zoho has helped us streamline our accounting and financial system in our transportation business. Zoho Books has made it easy and simple for us to run reports and get the data we need. I'm James Martin, the CEO of Keystone Transport. When I was 14, my dad started a woodworking shop here in Myerstown, Pennsylvania, just near Lancaster County. So I grew up making furniture, solid wood furniture. I took over the business in 2009. We made high-end dining, bedroom, and occasional furniture sold to the East Coast. Our primary focus is delivering furniture to the furniture stores and to the homes, to clients. And we were struggling finding a good transportation company to deliver our furniture from the manufacturing shop here in Myerstown to the stores and designers across the East Coast. So we started our own transportation company. Started with one truck and one driver. The truck wasn't full, so we put the word out in the community around here in PA, and we discovered there's a bunch of need for a good blanket wrapped furniture delivery service. So that's how it grew organically. From that, we got 16 trucks now and 20 trailers, and covering Maine to North Carolina and west to Indiana, north to Michigan. In 2014 is when I started the company, Keystone Transport and Keystone Designer Furniture at the same time. Had an opportunity to sell the business in 2020. 2 years ago, we started a truck shop to do our own repair, opened that up to the public. For accounting and Keystone Transport, we started out with QuickBooks Desktop. As we all know, transportation has low margins, cash flow is imperative, and it's critical we get invoices out, we get them paid to keep that cash flow rolling. Another thing is, in the transportation world, we like to keep a balance sheet on all our trucks individually so that we can know exactly where we're at with each piece of equipment. My wife does most of the accounting, and she's constantly complaining about how hard it is to use QuickBooks online. And I used it too myself, and it's just not intuitive. And one of my good friends had a furniture store. He was telling me what Zoho was doing for them and their business, their store business. So I did some research and I chose Zoho Books. Zoho Books has reduced our manual accounting tasks. Upgrading from QuickBooks Desktop into Zoho Books was very seamless. We used one of the value-added partners that Zoho had here locally in Allentown. And they stepped us through the process. It was very, very seamless. I was amazed at how simple and easy it was. Usually when you have a transition like that, you run into a few things that you didn't think about or surprises, but in that case there, it was really good. The most beneficial features of Zoho Books for our financial management, number one is customization, being able to integrate and customize the software to do what we need to do best. For example, our driver is in Maine or North Carolina, wherever he is at. He marks his phone, he marks on the app, he's finished with the job, and within a minute, an invoice is generated, all ready to send out to the customer. And it brings cash flow because I get it invoiced. Another feature I love about it from a financial perspective is the AR automatically notifying customers when they're late. Just give them that friendly reminder, hey, your account's overdue. And then you can pay it right online with that link in the email, and the AR gets flowed right into Zoho Books. Another thing we did was integrate our bank account into the system. That was a huge step for her. That probably saved her more than 20% of the time, where the transactions from the credit card, the transactions from the bank, were all flowing right into Zoho Books, and she could reconcile them right on the spot. It also integrates with Zoho CRM, which we have a whole order entry module built on Zoho CRM, and that feeds right over into Zoho Books as well. So I've never seen an accounting software that had such a great full-featured mobile app. I can do on my phone almost what I can do inside on the desktop. And I had a customer call me the other day and needed an invoice sent out. I just pull it up, bang, 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 3 clicks, and it's all out. I can look at my financials on the fly. I can look at my AR on the fly. We were pretty excited to go into Zoho Books because QuickBooks Desktop didn't have some of the functionalities we wanted. Ease of integration with other systems was one, especially in payroll. We wanted to integrate our payroll, make it seamlessly. She was spending too much time on the typing data into QuickBooks Desktop, which we did upload into Zoho Books. The support has been outstanding, but it's so easy to use. If I'm on the desktop, I can just click chat, ask a question, usually a couple minutes, I'm up and running again. With QuickBooks Desktop, we didn't have that kind of support. I'd recommend Zoho Books to other transport companies, but only if you want easy to use software that you can know your balance sheet on your truck. Are you making money? Are you losing money? How about your customer? Are you making money on that customer, or are you losing money on that customer? Zoho makes it so easy to know that data. And if you want to know your numbers and know where you're at and improve your margins, try Zoho Books.